Imagine enjoying every ride with greater freedom, confidence, and excitement. The best electric bike for adults. 27.5 Electric is designed for people who want a more enjoyable way to travel, explore, and create unforgettable moments. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, this electric bike inspires a lifestyle filled with convenience, independence, and pure riding satisfaction. Number 1. Scooters for kids 8-12, teens and adults. Lightweight, non-electric scooter, versatile for all ages, designed for kids ages 8-12, teens, and adults. Encourages kids to get outside and stay active while having fun. Perfect for commuting to work or school, or playing with friends at the park. Dual brake safety system, equipped with hand and foot brakes for enhanced control, plus a loud alert bell, ensures reliable stopping power and visibility during rides, prioritizing safety on sidewalks or busy streets. Smooth ride on any terrain. 8-inch wheels with advanced suspension absorb bumps for comfort. Features a 4-inch wide anti-slip deck and ultra-low 4-inch height, secure footing and effortless pushing without knee strain, even on uneven surfaces. Height adjustable, supports 3.9 ft, 6.6 ft height riders. The handlebar is adjustable to 4 height options: 30, 36.5, 38.5, 40.5. The perfect family scooter. The same scooter can be used by parents and daughter and son riding together. Space-saving and portable design. Quick folding mechanism and adjustable handlebars allow compact storage in seconds. Perfect for commuters, students, or travel. Lightweight yet sturdy for children and adults alike. Lifetime support. 24-hour response to any issue. Whether as a birthday gift, Thanksgiving present, or Christmas gift, this scooter is sure to be everyone's favorite. Number 2. Vivi electric bike for adults. 27.5 inches electric mountain bike. Certified to UL 2849. Ride confidently with our electric mountain bike, featuring certified to UL 2849 for the highest safety standards and reliable protection on every journey. Power and endurance. Electric bike for adults is equipped with a high-speed 500 watts motor and a 48 volts 10.4 battery. Enjoy a versatile range of 2250 miles per charge, ideal for both short commutes and long adventures. Advanced riding features. Our e-bike is equipped with a 21-speed transmission system and 5 working modes, allowing you to tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you prefer full electric, pedal assist, manual pedaling, cruise control or walk assist, this e-bike adapts to your riding style. Durable and stylish design. Built with a 27.5-inch tire for durability and style, the integrated LCD display keeps you informed of speed, battery life, and more for a seamless riding experience. After sales service. This adult electric bicycles arrives 90% assembled, with a 1-year service on the motor, battery and the controller. You have no worry using it. Need help? Contact us via the email in your product electronic manual or scan the QR code. We offer free replacement parts and expert technical support. Number 3. Electric bike for adults. Teens. 400 watts peak motor electric bicycle. Modern, stylish and perfect gift choice. Boasts a sleek, minimalist and fashionable appearance. Suitable for men, women, boys and girls of all ages. This stylish electric bike is an exquisite and practical gift for birthdays, holidays and daily surprises, combining beauty and functionality. Smooth and comfortable riding experience. Bodywheel electric bicycle matches high-quality shock-absorb fork to effectively buffer road bumps and vibrations, greatly improving riding comfort on urban roads and slightly rough pavements. The adjustable saddle of the mini e-bike fits different heights, bringing tailored riding experience for riders 4 feet 5 inches to 5 feet 9 inches. Reliable power and long endurance. 400 watts peak high power motor e-bike supports a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, with a maximum endurance of 25 miles. 36 volts 10-hour rechargeable battery with BMS protection realizes 4-6 hours fast charging, solving the trouble of frequent charging for daily travel. Smart and safe riding configuration. Bodywell foldable electric bike is equipped with LCD display to clearly show speed, remaining battery, mileage and riding mode in real time. Dual disc brake system ensures stable braking. IPX4 waterproof performance adapts to various weather, and adjustable front and rear lights guarantee all-weather safe riding. Lightweight and multi-scenario application. The folding design adult electric bicycle makes storage and carrying easier, with a net weight of 46 pounds and a load capacity of 265 pounds. UL 2849 certified for safety, perfect for daily commute, work travel, urban sightseeing and daily fitness exercise. Safety tested to UL 2849.